guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today I was generously sent in PR the new Dead Roses palette from Beaute Bar. This is round 2 of what was released last year, also known as Dead Roses. So let's take a peek inside this beautiful palette here. We are getting 16 different shadows. So there's going to be 9 buttery mattes, 3 multi-chrome shimmers, 2 duochrome shimmers, and 1 sequin shimmer. This beauty drops on Monday, February the 9th at 11 a.m. CST. It does retail for $65, but never fear, I have an affiliate code and it is Steff10, and that will save you 10% off of your order. I am so excited. Also in this collection, by the way, you can pop out all of these pots and put them into your own pan or your own palette if you wish. But also sent to me in PR were 6 different lippies, and I have the other one in my purse because I was wear testing it the other day. But I will do lip swatches for you guys of all 6 shades, and I'll be creating 2 looks with this palette. If you guys want to see it all in action, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start playing with Dead Roses. I am so excited. Dead Roses 2026. I'm wearing a jumpsuit that's like this color. So I don't necessarily know that I want to be that matchy. Really loving this shade right here. So I actually think, ooh, and the yellow too. I think I'm gonna start with the yellow. I'm gonna work with these 2 shades first. So the yellow is called Wilt, and the brown, the green is called Decay. I'm using a Singe Beauty E06 to start applying this yellow shade. You'll see that I'm doing it in the inner corner, but I'm also going to be taking it upwards, just all the way through and out. Now in a Singe Beauty E02, I'm going in with the shade Decay, that grungy green. Going in outside, outer corner. And just flick it outwards. They're nice shades together. I'm just going to go back in, touch up the yellow. Make sure we don't lose it completely. Okay, now before I apply shimmer or anything, I want to do something on the lower lash line. I think I'm going to go in with, what shade? I mean, I think these are all in a quad together. So I guess I'll go in with this one, Regret. I'm taking this on a Singe Beauty E11 brush. Only going to take it about that much of the way. A little over half. I think I'm going to leave the yellow as the inner corner highlight though. Now with that same brush, I'm picking up the yellow so I can drag it down. Now we need to look at a shimmer. They're all so beautiful. Now naturally, this one, any of those would go. I think the purple would be fun too, but since I have a lot of meetings, like business meetings, I think I am gonna keep it I'm gonna keep it to this one, Transition. And look, we just use this little quad. How cool is that? Now with my Morphe M124, I'm going in with that shade called Transition. I'm only applying it to the center of the lid. This is beautiful. Look at that. Bella Beaute Bar, one of my most favorite indie brand formulas, and they are not disappointing. Okay, loving it. I'm just gonna touch up the matte shades and I'll take care of that off camera. But this is the look. Let me go take care of finishing touches and I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look. What do you guys think? I love a look like this. I love the yellow, the grungy green. This is definitely one of my favorite color combinations. I'm also using one of the new lippies in this collection. This shade right here is called Send Roses, and you're going to see all 6 lippies swatched right after, where am I going to put that in the video? You may have already seen them swatched, or you're going to see them swatched sometime before I wrap up the video, but it's a very comfortable formula. You can see it's like a metallic type of formula, but I do like these lippies from Bella Beaute Bar. I have some from the prior collection, from a previous collection, and they work really well, and I even like the little clear bullet packaging. What I added to complete this look is a yellow LA Girl Neon Shockwave eyeliner. This one is in the shade Screamin'. And then I did some Kiss, the new natural lashes, and this one is in the style. Okay, so my camera, the memory card was full, so let me finish this up. The style on those lashes, man, I keep looking for it and I don't know why I think it's like white t-shirt, but they're the clean lifted effect. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'm getting that name from, but I got them from Ulta Beauty, and I just kind of tight lined the upper lash line also with an LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner, this one in the shade Blackout. So I love the way this look turned out. I am going to be creating a second look with this palette, and you will see that look right now. Okay, so the shade that I am wearing for this look number 2 is called Cross My Heart, and this is one of my favorite shades, and I'll go over my favorite shades once we wrap up the video. Let's dive back in to Dead Roses round 2. What are we gonna do today? Let's see. I wasn't really feeling anything pink in the crease, but then these are kind of plum tones here anyway. I actually think I'll just start with this one. This one is called, looks like it says Heartbreak. And I'm using a BK212 to apply. Actually, now I'm switching to my BK211. This is just going to give me a little bit more precision. I felt that other one was a little bit too fluffy for the shade and for the way I'm placing it. So this other brush that's a little bit smaller is perfect. Already looking like a smoky eye. I love it. I'm really loving the shade. This is beautiful. All right, next, I think I will dip into, this is the sequin shadow. Whoa, sorry, but I think I am going to do this one down here. Yeah. We'll focus that on the outer corner and into the crease. Super pigmented. Wow. Look at that pigment. I got a little bit of fallout, but wow. I always just take a little powder puff and kind of just clean up the edge a little bit. That is some amazing pigmentation. Okay, so I think this is looking really good. For the lower lash line, I think I'll go in with this shade. Now I'm going to add some of my Moira glitter primer to the lids. Okay, so for shimmers, we have a lot to choose from. I think I'm going to do a combination of like this one and this one, these two. And I'm going to I'll start with this one over here. Next, I'm going to go in with this shade called Broken, and that's going to be for our inside corner. Okay, now let's just do a little something for the inner corner. And I think I'll try, no, you know what? I want to try this one up here. And I'm using a damp Refer 03 to apply. Perfect, perfect shade. All right, guys, I'm going to go off camera, take care of those finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this second and final look with round 2 of Dead Roses from Bella Beaute Bar. Okay, guys, so here is the final look number 2. What do you all think? I love the lippy with it and, you know, the final result. I used the same lashes from yesterday, just tight line with a black eyeliner from LA Girl and from Maybelline, one of their tattoo studios, purple eyeliners in the lower waterline. And that's it. Oh, and some, what is this one? The Extensions mascara, also from L'Oreal. And this is the look. 2 great looks. I'm gonna change my outfit real quick and then we will have our final thoughts about this new Dead Roses collection round 2 from Bella Beaute Bar. All right, guys, so I've been playing with this new Dead Roses collection for the last couple days, and here are some of my thoughts. So my favorite lippies, the one I'm wearing right now, which I think I told you guys was, it's not the Dead Roses shade, it is right here. And the shade name is Cross My Heart. So if you like this one, good shade. The one I wore yesterday was called Dead Roses, and it was this one right here. This was from Look 1. I wear tested this one yesterday, and I did find that it's definitely something that's going to come off right after you eat lunch. Even if in the morning you're drinking, you're snacking, it will come off. But it's a very lightweight, comfortable formula. But I did have to apply this one 3 times yesterday. It's a unique color though, and I don't mind. You know, lipstick, it's meant to come off, so I don't mind if I need to touch it up. I care more about the shade and how comfortable the formula is going to be, and that checks, this particular lipstick checks those boxes. This is the other shade that I like, and this one was Cosmic Crush, if I'm not mistaken. Cosmic Dust. Cosmic Dust, and this is the second shade that I swatched, and this is more of like a silvery, but once you put it on, it takes on like a berry tone. So those are my top 3 favorite shades, but any shade that you pick up will be very nice. And I've had some of these in the past from a prior collection. I don't know if it was from the Dead Roses collection, but those lippies performed really well, and I like the clear packaging. Let's talk about this palette because it is really different, and I'm going to bring them both up. Let me open up. This is Dead Roses from last year, very pink red toned palette. And then this is this year's Dead Roses palette, very different. Still have some of those pink maroon shades, but you're also getting purple, yellow in there, some grays, a green shimmer, which there's a green shimmer in this one too. But you can see how they'd be really nice complements, and I'm sure there's going to be a bundle option available once this palette drops over here. This is the heavier one of the 2. It's a little thicker as well. But both palettes, you can pop them out, pop out the pans and put them into your own magnetic palette if you choose to do so. I had fun with this one. I think the color story is really nice. Yeah, I don't have any issues with any of the shades. Bella Beaute Bar has a really good formula. And it's just going to be up to you whether you're a collector of the brand, you're going to add this to your stash, or maybe this color story is speaking to you. You want to give it as a gift to yourself, to you, from you for Valentine's Day. Either way, it is definitely a year-round palette, maybe a little more fall winter leaning, but it's still nice for Valentine's Day. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. Let me know if you're going to be picking up this round 2 Dead Roses collection from Bella Beaute Bar. It drops on Monday, February the 9th at 11 a.m. CST. The palette does retail for $65. However, you can use my affiliate code Steff10 and that will save you 10% off. Keep me posted. Let me know what you guys are going to do. I want to thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'll see you soon. Bye.